L-industrija tal-gaming f'pajjiżna hija waħda mill-iktar pilastri ekonomiċi b'saħħithom. Minkejja dan il-Gvern dejjem insista li jinvesti f'aktar inizjattivi li jimmiraw lejn gaming responsabbli. Waqt li f'pajjiżna saret konferenza dwar il-logħob responsabbli, iltqajna ma' John Harston, ex-plejer professjonali tal-futbol, illi fissrilna kif beda triq il-ħażina tal-logħob irresponsabbli.
It started on the fruit machines. The bandits where you put money in the slot. So I started to enjoy doing that, and then it turned from that into going into the bookmakers and placing bets. And it started when I was very, very young, probably about 13, 14 years of age, and it just gradually got worse.
Naturali ġietna l-mistoqsija ta' kif waqa' l-vizzju tal-logħob meta kien qed jaqla daqstant flus bħala plejer tal-futbol.
And I was earning quite good money, so I had the finances, I had the money to gamble, you know, in abundance really, and it just built up and it got worse and worse and worse, and in the end it was a case of I really had to try and change my life and turn things around, and I went to my first Gamblers Anonymous meeting in 2011. And I've continued to go. I've continued to have a great recovery. I attend regular meetings. I think that's really important.
L-effetti ma kinux biss fuq John iżda wkoll fuq in-nies ta' madwaru u minn hemm iddeċida illi jibda paġna ġdida.
Financially, physically, health-wise, mentally, I'm in such a better place because the gambling can bring on quite a lot of stress. It can bring on a lot of problems with your loved ones and in particular your family and close friends. And I didn't want to lose everything. I was wanting to fight for what I had.
U hekk ilu jagħmel għal dawn l-aħħar 6 snin jitkellem dwar l-esperjenza tiegħu f'konferenzi bħal dawn li kif stqar is-Segretarju Parlamentari għall-Ekonomija Diġitali Silvio Xkembri jiswew mitqlu deb.
Konferenza bħal di huwa messaġġ ċar fejn aħna ukoll nippretendu l-għajnuna tal-industrija privata tal-kumpaniji tal-gaming li jagħtu xi ħaġa lura lis-soċjetà. U allura il-konferenza tagħti eżempju ta' kif għandu jkun u ninstigaw ukoll nħeġġu iktar kumpaniji sabiex jagħtu xi ħaġa lura lis-soċjetà b'mod direttament. U għad inizjattivi bħal dawn iservu wkoll ta' inkoraġġament għal dawk il-persuni li forsi din fil-problema tal-vizzju tal-logħob biex anke jiġu l-qudiem u nofrulhom tip ta' għajnuna li anke teżisti.
Silvio Xkembri żied jgħid li huma 2% tal-popolazzjoni illi huma milquta mid-dipendenza fuq il-logħob u li għalihom John Harston kellu dan il-messaġġ.
So the young gamblers that are listening to me, you know, do as I say, not as I did, because you know, if I hadn't got clean and if I hadn't got my head down and stuck to the meetings and wanted to get clean and do the right things, I don't really know where I would have been now. I might have been out on the street, I might have been in jail, I might even have been dead. Who knows?